everyone. My name is Lifehack Lindsey. Woo! So today we are going to be making DIY fidget spinners. But today I have a special guest. Her name is Lifehack Lindsey. Come on up, Lifehack Lindsey. Today, me and Lifehack Lindsey are going to make we're each going to make one type of fidget spinner. So I'm going to make one out of cardboard and some pencils.
And I'm going to make one with some Lego.
Fidget spinners are very expensive. You don't want to waste all your money just to spin something.
Yeah.
So we can make one fast and easy. So now we're going to show you a quick run through of our designs.
So as a design, we have this Lego block and this Lego spinner thing. And so basically, what we're going to do is put this Lego spinner thing on this Lego block. Should I do it yet? Should I do it? Here we go.
So I'm going to make mine out of cardboard and some pencils. So to cut out the main part of your fidget spinner, you use cardboard, and now make sure you draw on what you want to do it before so you don't mess up. So now when you're done drawing it, what you want to do is you want to cut it. There we go, nice and cut. Now what you want to do is you want to get a thick pencil. We're using this pencil to spin it on, so we need a thicker pencil so that this pencil doesn't get stuck and it doesn't spin. So what you want to do is you want to take your thicker pencil, shove it in nice. Okay, now you want to take your thin pencil, put it in, ready? And spin. Wow, look at that. So satisfying, so fun. Oh my gosh, I'm relieving so much of my stress right now, and for such a little price. Saving your lives and your money with Lifehack Lindsey. Okay guys, now let's take a look at our final fidget spinners. Ooh!
Wow.
Wow!